out of the ring. Thank you. Well, I, like Mr. Armando Estrada, also have been drinking beer and eating cheeseburgers, and I haven't seen the inside of a gym for like 2 weeks. But unfortunately, I do appreciate your support. I appreciate your support too, sir. Sir.
You better call me sir.
And because I appreciate your support, I came all the way to Milwaukee, which is an Algonquin Indian term for the good land, by the way. Wayne's World. And I came all the way to Milwaukee from Green Bay, Wisconsin.
That means wait in Japanese. That's my catchphrase. I like you, Ken. I like you. You're very entertaining. As a matter of fact, you're probably one of the most entertaining people to step foot in this ring in the last 20 years. But you're not as entertaining as me, Armando Alejandro.
Oh, I appreciate you, but you might be, but you're no Mr.
Hey, you see the cameras, amigo? That means the show is being filmed, and I don't believe you own that name. Like I was saying before I was interrupted, my name is Armando Alejandro.
Stop doing what? 5 seconds. Kind of crunchy now. I kind of like that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You're right. No, you're right. I don't own that name. I could get in lots of trouble for that. I give a cease and desist. But you know what? What? Kennedy's dead. Kennedy died in a horrible train wreck, ladies and gentlemen. And that train wreck can subsequently be watched